Very easy step. Go to Play Store, click on Canva, download the app, then open the app, then you search for YouTube thumbnail. When you get to the thumbnail, it shows you different types. So you select the one that you want. It takes it directly into the editing page. Then you edit, click on elements, anything you want to add there. If it's a subscribe button you want, you choose the one, click on subscribe, choose the one that you want, and then you place it directly into the editing page. You edit it, crop to the size that you want it to be. Then for the write-up, you can change it to anything you want. You can change it to your name. Once you click on it, you type in the name. To replace the background, if you don't like the background, you click, it takes you to the images. You choose the image you want, and then it changes the background to different images. Then you can also edit it, download, click on the arrow down, download it to either your WhatsApp or your album. Then you can share it. Leave a comment below if you found this helpful. Subscribe to my page. Click on the subscribe button. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.